Or you can cook the rice in the rice cooker for about 12 to 20 minutes. Depends on what temperature your rice is doing it on, or in your slow cooker or your Instant Pot. And then you can take your rice out after it gets done. Fry some chicken up. Bake your broccoli in the oven on real low until it gets tender and the way you want it. Then take it out and put it in a dish and make you a casserole out of it. Okay, we got one more piece. Make sure you always cut the fat off on your chicken breast. You don't want fat. Ugh. Remember, always wash your chicken before you fix it. Now, if it's bread and you can't wash it, because you'll wash your bread and right off of it. If that's how you froze it. Still got a little bit more fat cut off right here. Okay. Okay, let me wash my hands and I'll be right back with you. Okay, we got some more of these. We're going to ride on the same thing we did the last time, chicken breast. Then the date. Now we got 20 pieces of chicken right here. Big and little. You can always save your little pieces and fry them for your chicken salad. Okay, here we go. I got my hands clean. I've got to wash my chicken. Hold on a minute. Okay. Now, let me get a clean fork. Okay, you can also take you some of this and grind it up. Use it for pizzas or grind it up to make chicken nuggets. Yeah, you need a food processor for the chicken nuggets. And then you can make your chicken nuggets and freeze them up to 3 months for whenever you want to take them out and eat them. You fry them on 3 minutes to 4 minutes each side. We're ready for 6 different meals now. Because we cut it up the way we cut it up. You can add sweet and sour sauce to this and fry it. Just let it soak in it for about 2 hours and then fry it. You'll have sweet and sour chicken. Or you can put Italian dressing in here and let it soak overnight and then fry it the next day. You'll have good chicken. A different recipe. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, and it'll be here in a little while, or maybe tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube.